Today I'm going to be making a piece that's a resin wall art, and it's going to be a scene with a deer. So I'm starting out with some clear resin just to put a little base coat in there, and then I'm adding my alcohol ink, just two different color blue. And then I have a green, and that's going to be the grassy area. I'm just spreading it out with my stick, kind of blending the alcohol ink with the resin. First time using this Nic Pro resin, and I really like how it worked. I didn't really see many bubbles in there, and it mixed well. No issues whatsoever. Now, my husband had cut down some pieces off of the trees in my front yard, and I saved these, and I hung them upside down in a bag for about a month or two, and now I'm just adding them into my piece as trees. So now I'm adding some blue mica, which I believe this was manganese blue, but I will double check and I will put it in the description. That's about 3 hours later, and I have this little deer decal that I bought from Temu. It had a whole scenery with it, but I removed the rest of the scenery and I'm just adding the deer. So I'm just sticking it down in there. Thing is, with these, I found they stick to your gloves, so I had to take one of my gloves off to be able to manage this. It's You can't stop me, and you can't keep me down, 'cause I believe it. It's my life.
I'm winning, I won't hold back.
It's the next day and it is cured, and I am adding some Elmer's glue just in certain areas where I want the grass to be, and using my paintbrush to spread that around and apply an even coat. I have a brownish color static grass that I had gotten from Temu, and I'm just putting that on top of the glue. I think I used 4 different types of static grass, so I just continued doing this and spreading it out. More glue, and then just continued until I got to the bottom. What I did was I took this outside once it was completely dried, and I just shook it to get the excess static grass off. Now it's later the same day, and I am just adding a top coat to finish my piece off. It is time to demold this lovely deer art. It's demolding very nicely. Oh yeah, I like it. Oh my god. Wow. Alright, I gotta trim off the edges here. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but it is like clear almost. It's gonna look so beautiful on a white wall. And here is the completed piece. I'm going to be adding a bracket to the back so that this can be hung on the wall. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe down below. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.